morning, everyone. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, TikTok. My name is Festina Peter. His name is what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm doing this video to Aunt Izzy. Sister Izzy, good morning. Sister Izzy, thank you. Oh, funny. There's nothing else you are going to say, but I want to ask you a question, Sister Izzy. Before my friend, before Sharon passed, do I have any issue with you? Do we have issue before that you are hiding? Did I offend you before this case? Is there any day that I, Festina Peters, have wronged you before that you did not tell me before now? That you have to review everything now? Is there anything that I have done to you before that's made you? If I have, forgive me. Unknowingly, if I don't know about it, forgive me on that part. You know, they say silent is golden. Silent is golden. Festina, don't talk. I'm losing my sanity. I don't know why people do it, but I've been trying. Me and my family have not slept since last night because this lies is too much. Mind you, I'm not doing this video for anybody's sympathy. You all always insult me, slant me, but I leave you to God. If everything you guys are saying is true, let God vindicate me. I came out this morning to do this video because I didn't sleep last night. Since my friend passed, I won't call her name. I've promised myself that I've not had rest. I've gone through so many things because of her. And I promised myself that the last video I did was the last video I would do for her, but I'm coming out again because of you, Izzy. Everything you said, I won't debunk it. I would debunk it in way I will, but I would debunk just one. You said I was the one that called everybody. Sister Izzy, I know I expect this when they talk. Oh, you might expect when all these things start, I was the first person that started dragging. Did you see me talk? I kept it for Sharon's sake. Yeah, when it's not easy. We're sick. You said I was the first person that you caught 3 people that I, Festina, was the first person that covered that news. And you people also said that my sister entered coma on Tuesday. And I had the news on Saturday night around 8:30, 9 o'clock. I almost had an accident. I just stayed close for my store where somebody called me. And everybody that I called, it's only one person. The first person I called, I don't call his name. I only asked, have you heard any news? He said, no. I said, please let me call this person to find out. I heard somebody is like, this is sick, somebody is sick. He called me back and said, this person is not picky. I said, okay. In a day, he must have said that. He must have said, oh, say, and I stay on my own. He was silly. Even when I did not say, it was silly. He was with the test. Say, he never be a boom bag. He put him out. He go. I miss you. I don't know anything to do with that. Yeah, you know. Okay, no. I don't like different. Sharon, this video is no long. Oh. Anyway, you are right now. Okay, no visit. Festina no business is what. Oh, my matter well I am. Me no home this Saturday. Okay, mom well I am.
Many one name.
Festina Peter
is what
and
I'm with Sharon OKPAMEN.
Take me. But if not, Sharon, let your spirits rise. Let your spirit rise. I'll vindicate me. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Where they go?
I'm tired of the Nigeria. Oh, my dear man. They say you who connect these people, who narrate, who tie, who to never know. But it's okay, wash it, but I said the who tiema, but Matieme. When I say Sharon, who Matieme, we don't know that Tuesday, easy, who Matieme. Because he made me know where he made I was not your enemy, we were not quarreling. We're not a communicado, my one. Sharon, I'll still video. Sharon, I best friend. Yeah, call you away. I can to away. But so you have any day me no go away me with you. I never knew that you have me in mind, but it's okay. Not his boy. Yeah, with me. Thank you, everyone. May God bless you all. I really do appreciate all your love and kindness. It matter with Mama say. It matter with Mama say. It matter with more love or seven say. It matter with the other. Sharon Boagbo. Sharon. Eu não posso. Eu sei. Oh God, baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. If there's any way I've offended you, my love, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. God. Oh. Thank you. What was it? I don't have anything to say. What will I say? Nothing. Oh, Sharon, let me say it from today to tomorrow. Let me fight everybody. He will not bring my friend back. She's gone. Sharon, that I've learned so much from it. If I've ever offended anybody in this life, you people should have mercy or forgive me. And myself, I worry me. I have sense now. Even when I am bonded on Wuji, I'm Magbonario, when I wear that Kiremo. What's the matter with me? We wanna, anyone wanna. Oh ma, yeah, we oh ma, ya, stay, ya, la wow, this, la wallis, sister, la wallis, Utiane, no, everything you don't want. What's it? In all, I still love you. Thank you.